In this video, I'll show you how to add money to Google Pay. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so adding money to Google Pay provides a convenient way to store funds digitally because it eliminates the need for a physical cash and allows for easy transactions using your mobile device. And also, I've been using Google Pay because it enables me to make payments directly from my smartphone. And I find it particularly useful for in-store and online purchases, making transactions quick and hassle-free. So, how do we do it? First, you gotta log into your Google account first, all right? And once you've done that, let's hover here. Then adding money to your Google Pay balance. Take note, it's only US or in the United States. This article is important for Google Pay in the US. This info may not apply for Google Pay users outside of the US, so I'm not really sure, but you have to check on your region if it's available. And if you verify your identity, you can add money to your Google Pay balance. You're gonna click it here just to be sure if you're eligible to add money to your Google Pay balance. Then you can add money to your Google Pay balance from a verified bank account or debit card to send money to friends and pay for Google products. All right. So if you set up your Google Pay balance to pay business, you can use it to make contactless, in-app, or online purchases wherever Google Pay is accepted. Right. It's important to note that to add money with a bank account, add it to Google Pay first. And for Android users, to add money with a debit card, set up Google Pay to pay business. So there's a lot of information for you to check here later. Now, the fun part is open the Google Pay app. Tap the profile icon on the top right of the home screen. Tap on your Google Pay balance. Tap plus add money. Enter the amount you want to add, and the minimum amount is $10. All right. Tap next. Choose a bank account or debit card as your payment method. And if there's no payment method, click add bank account. All right. So just follow the steps to your account, like the on-screen instructions. All right. Tap add, and take note. For bank accounts, it can take up to 3 to 5 business days for the money to reach your balance. And for debit cards, the funds are available immediately. All right. So that's how you add money to your Google Pay balance. But again, it's only for US users, right? So if you're outside US territory, you might want to check your region if you are eligible to transfer money or add money to your Google Pay balance. Thank you so much for watching.